Every morning, the same train. Everyone scrolling past the same headlines about AI. And at work, someone drops a tool name, and you nod along like you've used it. Then at night, you open a tab, stare at it for a minute, and quietly close it again. Here's the thing nobody tells you. It was never about the tools. It's the order you meet them in. 5 tools, 5 steps, 1 simple path. And I've tested every confusing way in, so you don't have to. Step 1. ChatGPT. The one everyone names, and almost nobody starts right. Because the first thing you see is a blank box. And a blank box is a terrible teacher. So here's the fix. Ask it about something you already know well. Then watch what it does with it. You already know the topic, so you can judge the answer. That's the skill. Step 2. Claude. Built for words, especially yours. Now, every office has a skeptic. Isn't this just fancy autolipicate? Fair question. So try this. Paste in an awkward email. Ask it to make it clearer and more direct. Then read what comes back. It doesn't replace your voice. It clears the fog around it. Step 3. Gemini. This one's connected to the web. It's the tool your fastest colleague can't stop talking about. And the hype is fine, but here's the ground level truth. It shines when the answer depends on today, not last year. Current prices, recent news, live information. That's Gemini's lane. Step 4. NotebookLM, the quiet one nobody mentions. You know the moment. A 40-page document lands, and the meeting is tomorrow. Drop that document in, ask for a summary, and read what it pulls out. 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. It only works from what you give it, which is exactly why you can trust it. Step 5. Canva AI. For everyone who says, I don't do design, the skeptics fold their arms at this one. I make spreadsheets, not graphics. But you just describe what you need. A poster, a slide, a simple chart, and it builds you a starting point, not a masterpiece. A starting point. That's all you needed. So that's the path. ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to start. NotebookLM for the long stuff. Canva AI for the visuals. And you don't need all 5 today. Honestly, you need 1. Just the first one, because it was never about knowing every tool. It's the order that carries you up. So tonight, when the house is quiet, open that tab one more time. But this time, start with what you know. You're not behind. You just needed the right starting point. There's a free starter kit at aibasecamp.tv. The link is below. No rush. The trail will be there tomorrow.